Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing this package full of what I believe are 3 SSDs. We've got supposedly 2 Samsung PM981As, a 256 and a 512 gig model, as well as a 256 gig Toshiba XG6. So as we can see here, this is very much still sealed. Go ahead and pop this open. And of course, the spaceship. My heater is coming on. And I should probably go get something to cut on so I'm not damaging my table. I will be right back. Easy enough. So it looks like we've got a 256 gig XG6. And of course I don't have any control over the camera, so that's just not going to show up. And we've got a 512 gig PM981a. So again, that's probably just not going to show up on the camera. Pop it open and see if that works any better. No, not really. Alrighty. And then third, we have a 256 gigabyte PM981a. Perfect.